Namaskar, my dear students. I am again in front of you. Today I am going to solve some short question from function. So it is related to class 9. First question is in your book. If f is function f is equal to given in the order of pair 1 2 minus 2 4 3 6 and minus 4 8. So I am going to solve here the solution first. Given 1 2 minus 2 4 3 6 okay. Find the domain and range of the function. So very simple. From function, set of all first element of order pair is called a domain, and set of all second element is called a range. Therefore, domain of f is equal to set of first element. There is the one, but without repeating. There is the minus 2, there is the 3, there is the minus 4. Range of the function. Set of all second element of order pair. The second element is 2, there is 4, there is 6, there is 8. It is our answer. And other word we can also find the domain and range from the arrow diagram. How? Draw let any set A, let any set B. In a function, first 1 2, it means 1 is defined the function here. 1 2 1 2. Second order is minus 2 4. Third is 3 6. Finally it is minus 4. So it is by the arrow diagram also you can find the domain and range. How? Set of first element, all element of set A, all element of set A is called the domain. The 1 minus 2 3 minus 4 is the domain. Set of all element which are mapped with set B is called the range. The range is 2 4 6 and 8. So this is the first question. Now second. Second, what will be the p image? Before this question, remember one thing. Set A is the set A. In a set A belongs to domain. In a set A belongs to P image and X also is a function. Set B range, image, fx and y. All are domain, pre-image, X. All are related to the set A. Range, image, fx and y. All are related to the set B. It means your question, what will be the pre-image? Look at here. What will be the pre-image? Pre-image, it means find the value of x. it means we find the value of x. Value of x means pre-image. And third question, what will be the range? What will be the range? Range means y value. Value of I, value of fx is a what will be the range. Is that clear? So I am going to solve that concept in second and third question. So how to solve? Second, first write the given. What will be the pre-image? Pre-image is the question mark. Pre-image of 7. What will be the pre-image of 7? So 7 is what is? Pre-image of 7. It means image is equal to 7. What will be the pre-image of 7? So what is the pre-image of 7? It means 7 is the image. Image means I am right here is image means where belongs to the set A and the set B. In a set A, domain, pre-image, and yes, set B, range, image, fx and y. It means image is equal to 7. It means image is here. Image is equal to 7. It means fx is equal to 7. Yeah, y is equal to. It means what is given? Fx is equal to 7 given. And again, fx is equal to 2x minus 3y 5. And what is the asking? Pre-image. Pre-image, it means value of x. Pre-image means x is question mark. Is that clear? Image is given, it means fx is given, and pre-image asking, it means x is a question mark. So now fx is equal to 2x minus 3 by 5 and fx is equal to 7. 7 is equal to 2x minus 3 by 5. Here no split and go here or cross multiply. 35 is equal to 2x minus 3 or 35 plus 3 is equal to 2x or 38 is equal to 2x or x is equal to 19. Therefore pre-image of 7 is 19 our answer. Is that clear? So now I am going to question number third. Read the question again. First write the given and look at this one. Domain asking, it means x is the asking one question. Pre-image, it means x. Range means y. Image means y. Fx means y. All are the same meaning. So here the what will be the range? What will be the range of root 5? What will be the range? Range is question mark. It means given value is range is question mark. It means given value is the domain. So given domain. Domain means x is given. It means x is under root 5. And another fx is not given. Fx is equal to x square plus 5. And what is the range? Range means fx. Fx is question mark. So now fx is x square plus 5 and x is equal to root 5. Put here 10. Then our answer is range of root 5 is 10. Is that clear? So, and last question. Again, write the given f(x) is equal to x square. Find x plus 2 minus fx plus 1. Okay, now fx is equal to x square. Fx is equal to x square. Then first find the fx plus 2. In place of x, you can write the x plus 2 is equal to x plus 2 whole square, or is equal to x square plus 2x plus 4. A plus b whole square, a square plus 2ab plus b square. And x plus 1 is equal to value of x to write the x plus 1. So x plus 1 whole square is equal to x square, so 4x plus 2x plus 1. Is that clear? So now fx plus 2 minus fx plus 1 is equal to x square plus 4x plus 4 minus this one. Fx plus 2 is equal to this value in place of minus fx plus 1 this value is equal to x square plus 4x plus 4 minus x square minus 2x minus 1. Cancel out. 4x minus 2x is 2x. 4 minus 1 is 3. Our complete answer. So, okay. Thank you all of you.